I'd like to consider representing an equation in a graphical format. So let's imagine an equation y equals 2x plus 1. So we're going to try drawing that out. So first of all, let's try just replacing x with some different values and seeing what y would be worth in those different situations. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 plus 1, or 1. X equals to 1, then y is 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, y is 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 5, so 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 is 5. X equal to 3, y is equal to 7. If x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 2 times minus 1, minus 2, plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4, plus 1, so that's minus 3. Okay, so we could put all those on a graph, plot those pairs of points. So if x, here's my x-axis and my y-axis. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. So let's draw that on. So here's a point. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1, 2, 3. So already those 2 points are enough to draw a graph, but let's draw a couple more. So if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 5. Something like that. If x is equal to 3, then y is 7. So you can see these are making a nice straight line, even though I'm not very good at drawing. If x is minus 1, then y is minus 1. And if x is minus 2, then y is minus 3. Something like that. So now I can attempt to draw a straight line through all of those. Shall I have one more go? Slightly better. So there is a straight line showing all the possible combinations where there are values of x and y which combine to make this equation true. In fact, let's write that. So the line is all the possible combinations of x and y that solve make the equation true. And for every, so for every 1 we go to the right on the x-axis, we go up 2 on the y-axis. And this describes the slope of the line, so how much the line slopes, how much the angle of the line. And we can describe this mathematically. So the slope, which we call m, just because, is equal to y2 minus y1. So where those are 2 different points on the line, over x2 minus x1. So it doesn't matter which 2 points, because this is just a straight line. That should always be the same. So in this case, let's say m is equal to, let's take 2 of those points. So let's say 1 minus 3. Now let's say 3 minus 1 over 1 minus 0. So here I'm taking these 2 coordinates on the graph, so that m is equal to 2.